just spread it evenly like that, friend. Hindi naman ganun, nakakaloka. Have
Very
spoon.
excited as usual.
Nasa mo ba yung crunchiness?
Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Olive's Kitchen Adventures. I'm Olive Marie, and for today, my good friend Gila is going to join us again, and she will share with us her wonderful recipe of baked salmon. So, Gila?
Hi Olive! Hi everyone! So today, what I'm going to share with you is my baked salmon recipe. So for this one, Olive, what we'll be needing is about 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 cup of Japanese breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of calamansi, 1 teaspoon of iodized salt or Himalayan salt, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of grated cheese, and of course, our salmon fillet. I marinated it already from Aquamaria.
So what is our first step that we're going to do?
So, ginawa ko kanina is I already marinated this with the calamansi.
Yeah, I'll show it.
Yeah.
There you go.
2 teaspoons of calamansi, and then I already put the salt and also the pepper. So it's better if we marinate it for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Not too long.
So, ano lang siya, they're just going to spread it and then
Yes.
soak it for 15 minutes.
About 15 to an hour the
Okay,
most.
depende.
Because for me, I don't wanna ruin the taste of the salmon.
Oh, okay.
We just have to make sure na walang water dun sa mga gilid ng salmon. So,
you have to
ipapat-dry na
pat-dry.
siya. Yan. Ang ganda ng salmon.
Yeah.
So, all you have to do is just mix the cheese here
Okay.
from the cream cheese and mayonnaise. Hindi ka ba nag-wonder why is there a mayo?
Oh, bakit? Sige. Ngayon nag-wonder ako bigla. Why? Why is
Kasi,
there mayo?
para lang ma-balance yung taste nung masyadong thick yung cheese, para lang meron tayong pambalanse. Let's put a little salt. Ayan. Mix mo lang siya. Then pepper. Pinch of pepper.
Okay. So, yung sa cheese, any cheese is okay.
Yes. For this one, cheddar yung ginamit ko. Pero if you want to use regular cheese or any type of cheese, okay naman siya.
But the cream cheese, kailangan yun yung meron.
Cream cheese, main ingredient natin niya for baked salmon. Hindi natin siya pwede i-substitute. Pwede
Okay.
different brands, but still cream cheese.
Yeah. So, kailangan cream cheese pa din.
Yes.
So, the salmon that we're using is the salmon fillet with skin on from Aquamaria.
Yes.
And this is an Atlantic salmon. So, it's different from the usual pink salmon that we have in the stores. And if you would like to purchase this, you can just visit our store at www.aquamaria.store.
Ayan, ready na to. So, pwede na natin to ilagay dyan.
Oh, okay.
Wanna do it?
Oh, okay. So, we'll just make sure that everything's covered.
And slowly.
I'm so excited. So, after this step, anong next? What's our next?
And then, right now, we're already preheating the oven to 350 degrees Celsius. So, we will bake this for about 25 minutes. But you can check it from time to time. If medyo okay na sa yung itsura niya or pagka-brown niya, pwede nyo na siya stop and pull out from the oven. Kasi mabilis lang maluto yung salmon. So, ang titingnan lang natin yung toppings niya kung medyo okay na at crunchy na. So, later you'll see kung paano natin gagamitin yung Japanese breadcrumbs.
Okay. And then we'll put also on the sides, right? On the sides dito sa sa fish.
Ayan! So, okay na!
Okay.
So, next will be our breadcrumbs.
Alright.
So, i-coat lang natin siya evenly dun sa surface ng toppings natin.
What's this for?
For me, I like to put breadcrumbs kasi meron siyang crunchy effect pag kinakain ko. Well, but then again, this is optional. If you want to use it, it's okay. If you don't have it at home, it's okay also. And the last one is our Parmesan. So just like that. Just have to spread it. You can even top it with parsley if you have at home, or you can even put other vegetables. For me, I prefer to have corn as a side dish for the baked salmon. I think this is ready.
Okay.
Alright, so we've already preheated the oven 350 degrees for 15 minutes. So now we're going to put the salmon. There.
Oh, ayan, Gila.
Yeah.
Luto na siya. So, after how many minutes?
25 minutes.
25 minutes of baking it. Eto na siya. So, ilalagay namin ngayon yung corn
Sa sides, yeah.
sa sides. So, what did we do with the corn?
We saute it with butter. You can put a little salt if you want, or pepper, but then again, it's optional. Alright, so we're going to taste it na, Olive.
Mm-hmm.
Have
I'm very
spoon.
excited as usual. I'm always excited
Have
with
spoon.
taste test.
Yan natin. Nasama ba yung crunchiness?
Mm-hmm. Oh, sige na. Mauubos ko na ito. Thank you, Gila. Thank you again for sharing your wonderful recipe with us, the baked salmon. And thank you everyone for joining us for this episode. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe, Olive's Kitchen Adventures, so you'll get updated every time we upload another video or another recipe.
You're welcome, Olive. Thank you also for guesting me again. And by the way, don't forget to buy your salmon fillet or seafood needs at www.aquamaria.store.
Bye! Thank you everyone!